Millipedes are fascinating arthropods belonging to the class Diplopoda. They have elongated, cylindrical bodies with many segments. Most segments have two pairs of jointed legs, except for the first few and the last segments. Despite their name, 1,000 feet, no species was known to have 1,000 or more legs until the discovery of Millipedes Persephone in 2020, which can have over 1,300 legs. Millipedes are detritivores, feeding on decaying leaves and dead plant matter. Some species also eat fungi or drink plant fluids. They are generally harmless to humans, though some can become pests in households or gardens. For defense, millipedes secrete various chemicals from pores along their bodies. When threatened, they curl into a tight coil, protecting their legs and vital areas behind a hard exoskeleton. Millipedes first appeared in the Silurian period, making them some of the oldest known land animals. Prehistoric species like Arthropleura grew up to 2 meters, 6.5 feet long, while modern ones reach lengths of 27 to 38 centimeters, 10 to 15 inches. Remember, millipedes are distinct from centipedes, class Calopoda, which move rapidly, are venomous, carnivorous, and have only one pair of legs per body segment.